The benefits of an auction from 2003 are still paying off. So this is 75 pieces of the 1000-0115, which I think they used as an OEM harness for probably some ADS stuff. So, but I got one of those. We went ahead and stripped it back. I just used some crimp connectors, crimp caps to get these off Amazon. And then now it goes RCA, and then it'll go RCA into the OSC2. We got power hooked up. We got a 30 amp fuse in there. That's being a little conservative. You could probably put a 40 amp fuse in there, but I don't want to push it. I'd rather the fuse pop than the amplifier pop. And then there's our negative. There's our power supply. We got our woofer hooked up, 4 ohm load down below. What did I put it in there? I remember I changed it out. Oh yeah, it's a Sony Explode. So it's actually pretty good. It's ugly, but it's pretty good. Don't see any turn on. We got 12 volts. Don't see a indicator light. Maybe it's got auto sensing. One of these is loose. Sorry, let me show you what I'm doing. It's really hard with one hand. Oops. Uh-oh. Nothing. Nope, here's the load. No. Oh, that's not the power. Oops, sorry guys. That's not the negative either. Oh, that was for the what do you call it? Let me tie this real quick. It's funny how that works when you hook it up right. It works. So there we go. So there's some sound. See the current. So there you go. So I got to do that to 30 or 40 other ones. I'm actually going to email Wayne Connolly over at Rockford. I think he still works for them, and see if I can get the specs on this, like if there's a built-in crossover, what the input sensitivity are, you know, all that kind of stuff. He should have it on file, but we'll see. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Love you. Sorry, I forgot to include this. So we're going to do these for the speaker outputs. They're a little, you know, overkill, but I got a shit ton of them. This is from Rockford Fosgate when they did install gear. And this is a banana plug connector. You can also twist it and put the wire in that way, and you can solder on the end. Something that you can basically, it's a chassis mount. It's not great for wood, but if you have like a either a metal panel, well, maybe not a metal panel, you want to have an isolator in there, like a plastic panel, ABS, something like that. You could just do a speaker box terminal too as well. It depends on where you're going to mount this amplifier, and then where you're going to where the subwoofer is going to be. So, and then these are just little chassis mount Tiffany style connectors from MCM. So we'll include one of those, and then we'll do, yeah, I guess we'll do a speaker box connector, and then maybe let's do a different fuse holder just to kind of give a shout out to Recoil. I got a whole shit ton of these. So this guy, little mini A&L, takes up to 4 gauge. Not that you need it, and it comes with a 40 amp fuse. So there you go. I guess we're doing them with a 40 amp fuse. It's a little nicer. That's all. There we go. And then if you want to do a chassis, like if you wanted to do a fan on it, you could, but yeah, no LEDs. Let's see if I can find some screws that'll be good for that as well. But yeah, I just want to give you all the little goodies so that you can kind of make it into a project. So at a great price.